Greetings everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to dive into an exciting topic, blogging for profit, turning your passion into an income source. If you have a passion for writing and want to explore the world of blogging as a means of generating income, you have come to the right place. We will provide you with valuable insights and strategies to help you turn your passion for blogging into a profitable venture. So let's get started. Choosing your blogging niche. The first step is monetizing your blog is selecting the right niche. Choose a topic that you are truly passionate about and have extensive knowledge in. This will allow you to consistently create high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Research the market demand and competition within your chosen niche to ensure its profitability. Creating valuable and engaging content. Content is king in the blogging world. Focus on creating valuable and engaging content that solves problems, educates, or entertains your readers. Develop your unique voice and style to stand out from the crowd. Utilize attention-grabbing headlines, well-structured articles, and visual elements to captivate your audience. Consistency is key, so establish a content schedule that you can commit to. Understanding SEO and keywords. Understanding search engine optimization (SEO) is crucial for driving organic traffic to your blog. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant and popular search terms within your niche. Incorporate these keywords strategically into your blog post, meta tags, and heading. Optimize your content to make it more visible and discoverable by search engines. Building a strong and engaged audience. Building a strong and engaged audience is essential for the success of your blog. Interact with your readers through comments, social media platforms, and email newsletters. Encourage discussions, respond to feedback, and make your audience feel valued. Collaborate with other bloggers or influencers in your niche to expand your reach and attract new readers. Monetization strategies. Now let's talk about the various ways you can monetize your blog. Advertising. Join ad networks or display ads on your blog to earn revenue based on impression or clicks. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale or referral made through your blog. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands to create sponsored blog posts or reviews in exchange for compensation. Digital products. Create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, or templates that cater to your audience need. Membership or subscription. Offers exclusive content or services to your audience for a recurring fee. Building relationships with brands. To attract brand partnerships and sponsored opportunities, focus on building relationships with relevant brands in your niche. Reach out to brands that align with your values and target audience. Showcase the value you can provide through your blog and social media platforms. Be professional in your communication and demonstrate your expertise and influence within your niche. Tracking and analyzing performance. Regularly track and analyze the performance of your blog to make informed decisions and optimize your strategies. Use analytics tools to monitor website traffic, audience demographics, engagement metrics, and conversion rates. Identify your top performing content and replicate its success. Adjust your strategies based on the data you collect to continually improve your blog's performance. Continuous learning and adaptation. Blogging is a dynamic field, so it's essential to continuously learn and adapt. Stay updated on industry trends, new technologies, and changes in algorithms. Read blogs, attend webinars, and join communities to expand your knowledge and network with fellow bloggers. Adapt your strategies to stay ahead of the competition and meet the evolving needs of your audience. Congratulations, you have gained valuable insights and strategies for turning your passion for blogging into a profitable income source. Remember, Choose a niche you are passionate about, create valuable content, optimize for SEO, build an engaged audience, monetize through various methods, build relationships with brands, track performance, and continue learning and adapting. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit from it, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.